Hello everyone, I am back with another review for Adam. So I got this, actually you guys saw the last video I did on a TruSens humidifier. And I had nothing but good things to say about it, so I decided to go out and get their air purifier. I've been thinking lately that my air needs to be checked to see how dirty the air is in this house, because this is a smart air purifier. So what I mean by that is this has a sensor pod. Let me show it over here. I'll show you guys where I have it set up. There's a pod right here. And I don't know a ton about the pod. I know that it sends out, I believe it's infrared. I could be wrong. I don't think there was anything on their website about it, but I think it's an infrared, and then it measures the particles in the air. Okay, and then that talks back to the air purifier. This is a really good size air purifier, guys, as you can see. Looks really nice. It has got the 360 design, so all the way around this bottom, it sucks the air in. And then it's got what they call the pure direct. The air comes towards me, and then there's another vent back here, and the air goes back towards the back. And as you see there, pure direct technology. So this is going to be a quick review. Really have nothing bad to say about this. This is a really nice air purifier. My wife likes it. My kids like it. So real quick, whenever we cook, you know, if you fry bacon or you're just cooking, you don't realize that you don't see it, but there's smoke in the air, right? So after about 5-10 minutes of cooking, I can hear this ramp up the fan. And it's going into where the air quality is not so good. And that will ramp up this fan in auto mode and clear the dust out of the air quicker. So I've testified that it's done that 5 or 6 times almost every time we cook, and it's greasy food, or, you know, or obviously if you burn something in the oven, the air is going to get real bad in this house. And this thing's going to jump on full blast, probably take 5-10 minutes, and it'll clear the air. So let me turn this thing on for you guys and show you these features here. Okay, so right now it's going to measure the air. And there you go. So blue light means good. And I believe it can go up to 50. So anything under 50, it's going to be pretty clean air. And obviously you see here it's 6. It'll bounce between 13, 6, 20, and stay at this low fan speed. If it gets above 50, it's going to bump up the fan. It's going to bump everything up to clean the air quicker. And then I believe over 75, up to that 100 range, it's really bad air. It's not, for sensitive people, it's gonna be bad for you in your house. So, let me show you guys these different modes. And then I'm gonna do an actual test on the sound to show you guys that this thing is pretty quiet. Now when it bumps all the way up to clean the air, it's gonna be a little bit louder. The ranges are supposed to be 30 on low and up to 60 decibels on high speed. And I'm gonna test that with my Apple Watch here in just a moment. Yeah, this does have a UV light. So if there's bacteria or, you know, dirt on your filter, the UV light's gonna help get rid of that bacteria and mold and different stuff like that. If you have this in your bedroom, there is a night light. You push this, it shuts all the lighting off, which obviously I have it here in my living room, so the light being on looks cool to me, so I like to leave that on. And this model here is the z-3000. They have one step above this, which is going to be the same unit, but it's going to have Bluetooth, and that's going to be able to hook to the app, and then the app will show you wherever you're at, what your air quality is at home. And it's probably got other features to it too, and I was I probably should have spent a little bit extra money to get that one with the app control, because I'm a geek. I love all this technology. But yeah, this one here is 300. At this point, I think it's 389 for this one here. So they're pricey. Any of your real good air purifiers, the ones that really work well, are going to be pricey. But this one is one of the best that I found. It's got a great handle to pick it up, moving into different rooms, stuff like that. Let me take you back over here to the pod. It's pretty simple, but it does come with this pod. You're supposed to set this up within 30, 35 feet from it. Clear shot of the area in front. So if it gets real dusty in this spot here, obviously it's gonna make that thing go higher. Yeah, it's showing 4. So the air in here is really clean right now. So let's try these different modes for you guys. I would leave it in auto myself. If I bought this, I would just leave it in auto. But if you want it in your bedroom, obviously you don't want it on high. So let's do this. Okay, fan speed, here we go. Press the right thing, Matt. Okay, there is what they call whisper. And it builds itself down and builds itself up, so it takes a second. We're gonna get my Apple Watch on here. And we are gonna see in whisper mode. Okay, that's pretty quiet, guys. About 40 decibels. And honestly, it's picking up the noise in the house. I mean, let me walk away from here. Let's get a bass on this. Yeah, so the house, guys, is 38 to 50. Yeah, I'm gonna say around 40 decibels on whisper. Okay, let's go to the next one, which is 1. $49. Okay, next one up. Sorry guys, I had to keep, one thing with the Apple Watch is if you don't touch it, it goes blank to say battery. $55. Okay, 3 is going to be their high mode. As you guys can tell, it's definitely getting louder, but it's not. It's a fan sound. It's not a bad sound at all. Some of these things are very loud. This Apple Watch is driving me crazy, guys. $64. And they have a bonus one, Turbo. And this one should be, yeah, Turbo's pretty, yes, 70 to 71 in Turbo. I'm only a few inches away. Let me put that back on. So you're not going to be standing right next to it like I was. So if you're just sitting on the couch, it's probably what they say. It's going to be between 30 and 60 decibels. But I mean, your house is 45 to 50, just the noise around your house. So yeah, it's pretty quiet. This unit here will do 750 square feet. So if you put it in a bedroom, I mean, an office, bedroom, stuff like that, it's plenty. It's probably gonna even do more than that. This is in a pretty good sized room. You know, this isn't 750 square feet. but very open room. But I think it does a great job. The air quality in here is always blue. I believe it turns orange if it goes into the 50 range, where it's telling you, hey, your air's not so great. And then if it gets real high, it turns red. That's how you see these different lights. But yeah, guys, I highly recommend this. Adam's even looking to get one. He's gonna have this in the description, down in the description box there, if you guys wanna order one. Yeah, and if you do, make a comment and let us know what you think. You know, am I right about this review, and you know, everything great about this? Really don't have any negatives. I like to be able to throw out negatives too, but I really can't seem to find one for this. I've had it running for about a month. None of the filter lights have come on yet, which I should have told you guys. It is the filters. It's going to light up on the screen which filter needs to be cleaned. The Hepa filter, probably good for 6 months. I don't know how long it's going to last me, but 6 months you will have to replace the Hepa portion. But the carbon can be taken out and cleaned and then put back on. And there'll even be a light there to let you know to have that go on and take that pre-filter out and get it cleaned. Yeah, so that's it, guys. So it's the TruSens z-3000 air purifier. I highly recommend it. Hey, kitty. Where are you going? The cat recommends it too. Oh, wow. That's a cat for you. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I just wanted to do a quick video on this. I was off this afternoon and decided that it's time to let you guys know about this great product. And please like and subscribe for Adam. And more videos will be coming down the pipeline soon. I'll talk to you all later. Peace.